Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes Kikifoodies. Start by gathering 2 cups flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tsp baking powder, 1 tsp salt, 5 cups milk, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons melted butter. This sets you up for success. Whisk the dry ingredients well, then mix wet ingredients separately and fold together until just combined with a few small lumps. Let batter rest for 10 minutes to hydrate the flour and improve texture. Warm and friendly tip. Mixing matters for texture, so fold gently until the batter is just combined and still a bit lumpy. Heat a non-stick pan to medium and lightly grease with butter or oil. Use a 1/4 cup scoop for even pancakes. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, looking for bubbles on top and golden edges before flipping to ensure a fluffy interior and a nicely browned exterior for every stack. Serve pancakes warm with your favorite toppings like butter, real maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of cinnamon for extra warmth. For a special twist, fold in blueberries or chocolate chips to the batter before cooking, or layer with yogurt and fruit for a lighter option. Cool leftovers completely, then store in the fridge up to 3 days or freeze stacks with parchment between each for easy reheating on busy mornings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.